Hey guys, Jessica here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I lightly flocked my Christmas tree for only $8. So a couple years back, my mom gave me her old Christmas tree. This tree has seen better days and I really don't love the shape of it or how sparse the branches are. I have been eyeing those beautiful flock Christmas trees for a couple years now, but I just haven't taken the plunge and bought one. But after I got my tree up and decorated it, I just really was not liking the look of it, so I decided to try to flock the tree myself. So I have the tree out in my sunroom now, and I am about ready to spray this. I'm going to be using this snow spray. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It says it's $4.99, but it was 50% off, so that makes it whatever it was. I bought 4 bottles. It was like $10 and some change. So anyways, I'm not sure how many bottles I will use. It does say on the bottle, however, that it is not for flocking spray, and it says to not use to fully flock trees or wreaths. But it also says an extremely heavy coat will not dry properly. So I am going to apply thin coats and allow them to dry in between. And so I don't know how long this is going to take me, but I'm going to give it a try. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Let's do this thing. So I just finished up my first can. This did an entire coat on there. It's a pretty good coat. It has a nice little mist on it, and I think this might actually work, which makes me really excited. I'm gonna let this dry for a few hours, and then I'm gonna put another coat on it. So I think this might work. I'm excited. So I have allowed the tree to dry for a couple hours, and I am ready to put on a second coat. So I ended up only needing 3 cans of the spray. So for the 3 of them, it came to a total of $8.44. So that is not a bad price for a flocked Christmas tree. It is not a heavy flocked look by any means, but it is definitely a nice added touch to help update this very sad old tree. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and has been informative to you. And I will see you guys in a later video.